My sister messaged me today and said that she had heard about the heatwave here in Thailand on the news where she lives in Melbourne. And it has been crazy. I kind of thought, is it just us? I mean, we're pretty acclimatised by now, but, we've only been here 6 months. Maybe it takes a little bit more of getting used to, but it has been outrageously hot. We went to Muay Thai last Friday and we did our session and it just absolutely wiped us out for the whole rest of the day. We were only good for coming home and getting in the pool and then going into our air-conditioned bedroom and watching Netflix for the rest of the day, and it was just totally zapping of all our energy. It's making world news now, and it has been pretty intense. I mean, the actual temperatures are reading like mid to high 30s. But I saw a news report the other day that said the actual real field temperature, if you combine the temperature and humidity, is 54 degrees. Well, I'm not sure about that. 54 degrees is pretty extreme, but definitely it feels like it's in the 40s, and it does make exercising quite hard because we're in Muay Thai gyms that are pretty open air, not air conditioned, and you are sweating before you've even begun. Yeah, you definitely get your money's worth in terms of weight loss because, trying to retain that amount of fluid in that kind of heat, it's quite difficult. So, we find that we're going through litres and litres of water, electrolytes, and don't quote me on this. I don't know if this is an actual fact, but it's something that someone else has told me, is that coconuts are 4 times more hydrating than water alone. And this is really good news for me because I love fresh coconuts. I could have coconut every day. It's obviously abundant here and cheap, and the coconuts are awesome, and what a bargain, because not only is it a drink but you get a meal as well. I honestly think I could just about live on the coconuts. It's been really hot. That kind of it doesn't limit what you can do, but you kind of think twice about what you're doing at the moment. Yesterday, Jamie and I spent quite a lot of time going to various shopping malls because at least they're air conditioned. You really want to be near the water or some air conditioning. We are spending a lot of time here in the swimming pool. I am so grateful to have the swimming pool right now. Honestly, I think I spend more time in the swimming pool than anywhere else at the moment. And I'm not quite sure how long this will last. I think we've had a combination of it being a hot time of the year, and also it's the burning season in North Thailand, and a lot of that haze has been billowing down to Phuket, and that seems to intensify the heat. And obviously the air quality hasn't been the absolute best lately. I think I see it clearing. I hear news reports that it's clearing. If we can get down to sort of more that moderate feel of mid-30s, it will probably make everything a little bit easier. But I'm really not complaining. Hey, if I have to spend a bit more time in the pool, it's really not a hardship, right? There always seems to be something to do in Phuket, and I guess it makes sense, right? Because it's a tourist town, and there's always events going on. But when you live here, it seems extra exciting because there's always something to do. And today there is a car show out at Blue Tree that we're going to go and check out. So Blue Tree is about 40 minutes or so, probably, maybe a little bit more from where we live. It's a nice day for a drive. Hot. It is hot as anything at the moment, AJ.
Yeah, it's really hot.
So I have to show you something that we haven't seen in months. Like, I would say 3.5, maybe 4 months. Let me show you. It's raining. I can't believe it. So we found the car show. I expected lots of like loud stereos, but
Yeah, but we walked around all Blue Tree to get Heatwaves. Dean, of course, knew the way, so yeah.
and Jamie, of course, hates exercise. Look at these bikes, racing bikes.
Why do you have a basket on the front if it's your racing bike, eh?
Because you still need to get groceries, Dean, like let's be real. Look at that. We would, except Dad's leaning into it. Yeah, Dad knows about cars. He had his Monaro once upon a time.
Okay, stop the Monaro. You've lost your husband.
Oh no, lost to the car show. Jamie thinks I should have bought my racing Mazda down here, where it could have been a competition winner, but I don't think so, because look at these beautiful cars.
And also because you're going to get run over by the
Yeah, I hope not. I hope I don't get run over by the man on the bicycle.
Dean will be like this far away from us, and then boom, he's just gone. Disappeared.
Yeah, we've lost him. Jamie's dream date has one of these cars.
Yeah.
I think this little silver
Hey,
one.
if you can make mashed potato with grilled cheese on top and have a car like this, marry me.
Okay, well, I'm thinking that they're probably more likely to be making you some cashew nut chicken, but you know. Just getting ready for the outdoor movie.
All right, thank you so much.
How's it going, Dino?
It's hot.
Beautiful little bay on Coral Island. Jamie.
So I forgot to get the Friday night fight night on camera. The Rawai boxing camp has now just opened their new stadium. It's probably about a capacity of 300, maybe 400 people, and yeah, awesome little stadium. Had the privilege to go there on Friday night and watch the first 8 fights for the season. So really good matchup, really good fight night. I've got a picture up from school, so I might pop in there on the way there, or picture up from school and then get some footage on the way back and show you what the stadium's all about. So just brought Jay along to show the Rawai boxing camp where the fights were on Friday night.
Hello.
So the lights aren't on at the moment, but this is the stadium. I don't know if it's going to show up very well, but there's the ring. So there's your VIP seating. There's your stands.
And on the other side.
So no matter where you are in here, you get a good view. The only thing is, as you can see, there's the ring. The only thing on Friday was the first big night here, and probably 300 people in here, and the heat was intense. Like, it was hot outside, it was twice as hot inside.
Here's the bell that
So,
they ring.
oh yeah, the ding ding bell.
And all the coming up fights.
So I've got a little bit of footage that will show you that I took on my phone because I forgot to put an SD card in the camera.
Heaps of bathrooms too.
But yeah, good bathrooms.
On both sides. It's like a double.
Bathrooms on both sides,
Yeah.
and then a little bit of breeze when you get back out. There's some of the fighters' accommodation out the back there. Yeah. And then down here is where the fighters area, where they get ready. So they bring the benches out so they can warm up, and yeah. So whole new stadium built in a matter of weeks. So it's pretty cool. You gonna go get in the ring?
Nah. Don't want to.